Looking for the definitive note-taking app to organize your thoughts, projects, or research? We're comparing Heptabase, Obsidian, Notion, and Logseq, each with a unique take on how your brain works. Let's figure out which one fits you best. Heptabase is all about visual thinking. You write in cards and organize them on boards like sticky notes. It's perfect for researchers and thinkers who love spatial structure, but it's not great for traditional docs or team use. Obsidian is a markdown-based app with local-first privacy and powerful plugins. It's great for personal knowledge, bases, and linking ideas, but it can feel overwhelming without setup. Notion is super flexible, great for teams, databases, wikis, and content planning. But it's cloud-only and less ideal for linking deep ideas or offline use. Logseq focuses on outlining and daily notes, with a privacy-first, local storage approach. It's great for thinkers and journalers who love bullet points and backlinks, but the UI feels raw compared to others. Use Heptabase for visual research, Obsidian for deep knowledge work, Notion for flexible team docs, and Logseq for outlining and local-first workflows. Each one shines, it just depends on how you think. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.